Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got my mini twist. I'm going to keep this in for, a good minute because it took a good minute. It took me like 3 hours to complete this look. So, have your TV show ready. I started The Walking Dead. I don't know what took me so long, but I did start it. Yeah, so if y'all want to see the process and whatnot, then just keep watching. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and conditioned. Check out them curls come through. Okay, okay. I'm gonna part my hair. Last time I did my part down the middle, but I want to try a side part this time. And then I'm also going to part it down behind the ear. And then twist that up. And then with the back part of my hair, I'm gonna just make that in half. And then I'm going to take my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. Put that on the section. And then I'm going to take my black castor oil and put that on as well. And then I'm just going to detangle this section. I do this to each section before I do it in a smaller section. Half and half to detangle. Now from that section, I'm going to part my hair straight across, and then I'm just going to take pieces and twist them. And then I use the curling gel souffle by Shea Moisture. For whatever reason, I didn't show that product properly, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little section and twist it all the way down. I'm not focusing on any like straight or neat parts. My rows I use a rat tail comb with, and then I just grab and twist, grab and twist. And then gonna do it again. Parted a row, and then I'm just gonna grab and twist and grab and twist all the way down to the bottom, and make sure you twirl the end around on your fingers so it makes like a little curl. And then in the front, I'm kind of doing more so like straight back parts. But still, even then, grab and twist and grab and twist. I look so sleepy, y'all. I look so tired. I was so freaking tired. This is what my hair looked like once I was all done. It looks super cute. But obviously once your hair dries and everything, it is going to kind of, shrink a little bit. But I thought it was so cute. And they still look so good. So it's been about a week since I put my twist in. and they still look real good. I do feel like the older they get, kind of the better they look, because they get like more messy and like more natural looking. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with some refreshener spray by Carol's Daughter. It's called Hair Milk. So I'm just gonna spray this throughout my hair. And I like to use this instead of water because it doesn't get my hair as frizzy, and it still lightly moisturizes, well, like lightly gives it like a mist, you know, whatever. But for moisturizer, a Queen's Choice hair moisturizer is lit. Okay, I'm pretty much out. It's super like thick and it's rich, and it leaves my hair feeling so moisturized. I'm just gonna apply this throughout my hair as well. You can see it like instantly adds shine. Like instantly. It instantly adds moisture. It's gonna lock in the refreshener spray that I just put on. And it smells so good. It's like peppermint. I love this. Pay extra attention to like where my part is as well as my edges. I absolutely love this stuff. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And that's pretty much it, y'all. It's pretty much how I moisturize them, how I refresh them. Now what I'm going to do is try the Gabrielle Capel Edge Tamer. It actually comes with a brush if you purchase one. It's a brush and a comb. So we're going to put these on the edges. Oh, this smells good too. And it's kind of like one of those type consistencies. It's pretty soft though. It's not super hard. I don't know how to do my edges real cute. Oh. Oh. But they already laid. I don't know how to swoop them now, y'all. Oh, they are already laid. I ain't even combed them yet. Girl, come through. I don't know about the comb. How the comb work? Uh-oh. Listen. If you don't know how to use the comb, don't use the comb. Simple as that. Comb through edge tamer with the brush. Look at that. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much how I like to refresh them. If y'all want to see how I like style them, a video of me styling like different styles you can wear, let me know and I'll do that. That's pretty much how I moisturize them. So I do got some little beads and whatnot. I got these little ones. Not finna fool with it. Let's go ahead and put some in. Add a little something. Alright y'all, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know any questions you may have down below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.